Color song, blue.
Okay, so that is our song, Color Blue. Wow, very good circling. Okay, the hat that is color blue. Wow, very good. So it is also blue. Okay, how about this one? How about the sky? What color is this? Is it blue? Yes, yes or no? Yes, of course. How about this one? The sea. What color is the sea? Is it color blue? Yes or no? Yes, very good. And look at teacher's clothes. What color is this? Is it blue? Yes or no? Yes, teacher is wearing blue. That's a good job. Okay, so today we are going to learn the color blue. Okay, and we are going to review the shape triangle. Okay, do you still remember the shape triangle? Okay, can you say triangle? Okay, one more. Triangle. Okay, that's better. Good job. Okay, okay. And of course, we are going to learn color blue. Okay, very nice. Okay, here, look. Look, there are many shapes. Okay, now, can you color all the triangles in the picture? Let's color all the triangle. Okay, let's color it. Color, color. Can you color the triangle? Let's color the triangle like this. Color, color. Okay, can you color? Yes, there you go. How about this one? This is also a triangle. Let's color. Okay, very good. How you colored it out. Okay, look at the fish. Is there a triangle onto the fish? Yes, very good. Okay, how about this one? How about the octopus? Okay, it is all triangle. Okay, very nice. Okay, very good coloring all the triangles. That's a good. Okay, very good. What's wrong? That's okay. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay, here, look. Shelly is on the stage and he is playing some music. Okay, what shape is this? What shape is it? Ava, what shape is it? It's a triangle. Very good. That's a good thing. Okay, okay, let's have some more. Very good. It's a triangle. Okay, here. There is some food and drinks on the table. Okay, teacher will trace a triangle. Okay, can you trace the other triangle? Wow, the drink is a triangle. How about the sandwich? Is it a triangle? Eva, look at the sandwich. Can you trace? Is it a triangle? Yes, very good. Let's say it's a triangle. Okay, triangle. Very good. Very good. Triangle. Very good. Okay, time to eat first. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. Very good. You can eat. One more. Eat one more. Get and eat. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, very good. Okay, now okay, now let's look at this one. Look, there is a family of superheroes. superhero. Wee, wee, wee. Okay, Ava, do you want to be a superhero? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's look at their costumes. Okay, can you tell teacher what color is this? What color is their gloves?
Oh.
What color is this?
เหลือง
Okay, you can eat first. Okay, finish eating. Okay, before you talk. What color is their gloves? What color is this?
เหลืองเหลือง
This one, what color is this? Is it yellow or red?
เหลือง
Yellow. Okay. Don't talk when your mouth is full. Okay, you may choke. Okay, finish your food first. Okay, finish your food. Yes, that's nice. Okay, very good. So they are yellow. Okay, how about this one? Okay, how about their cape? What color is this? Color? Is it yellow or red?
เยลโล่
Yellow again? This one? Red. Yes, they are red. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this one? How about their t-shirt or clothes? What color is this?
สีฟ้า
Color?
บู
Okay, color blue. Very good. So they are color blue. Okay, good job. Okay, let's have some more on the next one. Okay, here we can see the cape. Okay, so the cape is red. Okay, can you repeat after me? It is red.
Is it red?
Okay, you chew your food first. Careful, it is red.
Is it red?
It is red.
Okay, very good. The cape is red. Okay, now let's have the socks. Okay, can you say it is yellow?
It is yellow.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What color is this?
It is
What color is that? Can you say?
ภาษาอังกฤษ
It is
blue.
blue. Let's say it, Eva. It is blue.
บอกดูกับ it is blue
Eva, let's say it is
It
blue.
blue.
Okay, it is blue. That's right. It is blue. Okay, very good. So it is blue. Okay, now, Eva, as you eat, we are going to listen to the song. Let's start working.
Let's start working.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. Look, look, look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, yes, yes. Ready, set, go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. Look, look, look. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, yes, yes. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go.
Okay, Eva, are you ready?
Are you ready?
I am
Are you ready? Can you say, yes, I'm ready.
yes
Are ready?
Okay, yes, I'm ready. Okay, Eva, let's start working. Okay, here we have Paul and Shelly, and they are drawing on the wall. Okay, can you find and circle which one is color blue?
Blue.
Yes, very good. That is, okay, let's say it is blue.
It is blue.
Okay, there you have it. Very good. Okay. How about this one? What color is Shelly drawing on the wall? What color is that?
Red.
Okay, red. Can you say it is red?
Red.
Okay, that's right. Very good finding the color blue. Okay, now let's have the next one. Okay, here we have different toys. Okay, so teacher will gonna ask you whether is it blue. If it's blue, you do thumbs up. Okay, and whether it is not blue, you do thumbs down. Okay. Okay, ready, Ava? Oh, okay, let's see, let's see. Is it blue?
Mm.
Yes or no?
No.
Thumbs down, thumbs down. Do this one. No. No.
No.
Okay. Okay, no. Thumb. Your thumb. Use your thumb, not your index finger. Okay, no. Can you do this one? No. Can I see? Can I see? Yes, that's great. Good job. Let's have the next one. Is it blue? Yes or no?
Red.
Yes, like this. Yes.
Yes ทำแบบนี้
Red.
เนี่ยทำแบบนี้
Thumbs up. Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay, let's have the next one. Is it blue, Ava?
อ่ะครูถาม
Yes or no?
yes or no ตอบก่อน
Okay, first. Oh, thumbs up. You do the thumbs up.
yes
Yes.
เอามือด้วย
Thumbs up.
yes yes
Yes. Okay, there you go. Okay, how about this one? Is it blue? Is it blue? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
yes
Red.
Yes, yes, yes. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, very good. Okay, how about this one? You circle this one. Is it blue? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, yes, yes. Can you see? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Okay, very good. That's right. Okay, let's have the last one. Is it blue? Yes or no? No, no, no.
นายทำท่าให้ครูด้วย
Thumbs down, thumbs down. No. Okay, very good. That's a good job. Okay, good work. That's a good work, Ava. Okay, you got your good work star. Okay, and it is also color blue. That's a good work. Just like this. Good work.
yeah thank you teacher
Good work, Eva. Good work. Okay, now let's have some more. On to the next one. Okay, let's have the next one. Okay,
จะฟัง
there are lots of blue items. Okay, so let's practice saying it is blue. Okay,
blue
so this one. Okay, this one. Is it blue? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say it is blue.
พูดตามคุณครูด้วย
It
yes
is blue.
Okay, very good. How about the blocks? Is it blue?
yes
Red.
Is it blue? Yes. Let's say it is blue.
ครูด้วย
Blue.
Okay, okay, very nice. Okay, look at this one, Eva. Is it blue? Is it blue? Yes. Okay, let's say it is blue. Okay, okay. It is blue. Then going to it. Okay, very nice. Okay, how about this one? The couch. Is it blue? Is it blue? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Let's say it is blue. Okay, can I see what is in your hands? What is that? Can I see? Oh, it's a triangle. Yes. And it is color. What color is that, Ava?
สีอะไร
จีบ้า
What color is that?
ภาษาอังกฤษ
What color is that? Is it blue?
หู
Yes or no?
แฉะ
Yes. Oh, it's a crown. Wow, very nice. Okay, very good. That's a good job. Okay, now let's have the next one. Okay, here, look, the girl is watering the plant. Okay, so can you drag all the color blue inside this box? Okay, let's put all the color blue inside the box.
แล้วบอก
Let's put it inside the box. Let's drag it inside the box. Okay, verse 1. Good job.
มีอีกไหม
It is blue.
อืม
Okay, can you see other things that is color blue? Yes, very good. The bird is blue. The flower is blue. And the butterfly is blue. Okay, very good. Oh, you put it back.
เอามาไว้ที่
Okay, let's say it is blue.
พูดตาม
Again, it is blue.
ตาม
เอ็กซ์บู
Okay, very good. How about the bird? Is it blue?
เบอร์สี่สิบ
Is it blue?
หู
Let's say it is blue. Eva, let's say it is blue.
พูดตามตัว
เอ็กซ์บู
Okay, very good. Let's say the flower. Okay, the flower is blue.
หู
Again, the flower is blue.
The flower is blue
หู
พูดตามมันตัว
Okay, the flower is blue.
เอ็กซ์บู
Okay, it's blue. I know. Okay, okay. Can you say it is blue?
เอ็กซ์บู
Okay, there you have it. Good job. Okay, so we are done with that one. Let's have the next one, Eva. Okay, here, look. There is a mountain. Okay, what shape is the mountain, Eva? Eva? What shape is the mountain?
รูปอะไรมอสเทนเป็นรูปอะไร
Yes.
เป็นรูปดาว
สามเหลี่ยม
What shape is the mountain? It's
ใช่
triangle. Can you see?
หู
Triangle.
ดาว
พูดชัดๆก่อนอะไรฮะ
What shape is the mountain? Triangle. Can you say triangle?
นั่นก็
Okay, triangle. Okay, Eva, let's climb the mountain. Okay, so to climb the mountain, you need to say the color blue. Okay, just like this one. Okay, look at teacher. Okay, so this is blue hands. Okay, after you say, you're gonna go up. And next one, you're gonna circle the other blue. You say blue crayon. Okay, after you say that, you go to the next one.
ก็พูดอ่าน
See?
เอาตามตัว
Blue puppet.
ดู
Okay, blue eyes. And you finally go to the flag. Okay, so ready? Can you do that so you can climb the mountain? Okay, circle. Which one is color blue? And the first one here, which one is blue? Okay, can you say blue hand?
หูเห็น
Okay, next one going up. What is color blue? Can you circle on the second one? Let's circle which one is blue.
พูดด้วยว่าอะไร
Blue crayon and red crayon. Okay, can you say blue crayon?
ก็
Okay, very good. Okay, now we have the puppet. Can you circle the blue puppet?
ก็คือดูพับเป็ด
Can you circle the blue puppet? Okay, very good. Okay, we have. Okay, what color is the flag, Ava? What color is the flag?
สีอะไรบอกครูบลู
What color is the flag?
สีอะไร บอกคุณครูเลยชัดๆดัง
Tắt tắt lần lần.
ๆไม่ดู
Okay, let's say it is
ดู
blue.
ดู
Okay, very good. Yay. Good work, Ava. You were able to climb the mountains. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, let's have some more. Okay, it first. Okay, let's have the next one. The girl is fishing. Okay, now can you color? Can you color the fish, the bird, and the bucket color blue? Let's color them blue.
fish
Okay, let's color first the fish. Okay, okay. Okay, the first fish. How about the second fish? Oh, the bird first. Go, go, go.
fish
The big fish. Wow, the blue fish.
teacher ring a water
Okay, and the next one, let's color the bucket blue.
yes
Okay, very good coloring. That's a good word. Very good. Okay, you got your, look, you got your well done star. Very good, Ava. Very good coloring. Okay, what color are they? They are blue. Can you say they are blue?
they are blue they are blue พูดดัง
Let up.
Okay, that's nice. They are blue. Very good, Ava. That's a good work. Okay, now let's have the next one. Okay, you go here. Okay, look, we have cotton candies and we have candies. Okay, Ava, do you like the green cotton candy? Yes or no? Yes, okay, you got your cotton candy. Okay, can you say, I like green cotton candy?
พูดตามครู
Can you say, I like,
I like พูดตามครู
Lấy. Chị muốn mày. Chị
I
muốn mày.
like
green cotton candy.
พูดตามครูก่อนเอวา
You like the green cotton candy or the blue? Which color do you like? Can you tell teacher? Which cotton candy do you like? I like
พูดตามครูก่อน I like พูดดัง
Mày lấy.
what color? I like blue cotton candy.
I like blue cotton candy พูดเลยพูดตามครู
I like blue cotton candy. You want the blue candy too. Okay, can you say I like
Lấy.
blue candy?
Cái gì?
Okay, let's eat the blue candy. Yum, 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 yum. Okay. Oh, it's gone. Okay, do you like anything? Which other thing you like? Do you like cotton candy? You like the green candy. Okay, can you say first? I like
พูดตาม
Lấy.
green candy.
Cái gì?
Okay, open your mouth. Open your mouth in 1, 2, 3. Yum, yum, yum. Open your mouth. Okay. The green candy is gone. Okay, do you like anything? Do you like something? We have lots of cotton candy and candy. You like the green. Okay, can you say, I like green cotton candy?
พูดตามครู I like
Mày lấy.
green cotton
Cotton candy. Okay, and the blue cotton candy. Okay, do you like anything? Do you want more candies?
Cái
Do Do you want more? You want the yellow?
Yellow.
Yes or no?
Red.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, you say, I like yellow cotton candy.
Good job. I like.
I like candy.
I like. Oh, you eat it already. Okay, can you say, I like. Okay, you eat all. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so you eat all the candies. Okay, very nice. That's a good work. Very good, Ava. Very good. You were able to finish all the cotton candies and candy. Okay, good job. Okay, so that's it for our lesson for today. Very good. We are able to review the shape. What shape is this, Ava?
พูดเลยบอกคุณครูอะไร triangle
Triangle.
What shape is this? Triangle. Very good. And we also learned the color. Color.
จบละ
Triangle.
สีอะไร
Color blue. Can you say color blue? Okay, color blue. That's so cute. Okay, very good. You did good. Okay, Ava,